Today, we're going to walk through how to configure email and phone verification options in your Outgrow lead generation forms to ensure you collect valid and verified user information. Start by logging into your Outgrow dashboard and opening the Build tab of one of the content pieces. First, let's configure email verification. Click on the lead generation form and select the email field from your form. In the left side settings panel, scroll down to the verification type section. Click on the drop-down menu and you'll see three available options. None verification without OTP verification with OTP. Let's look at each option. If you select none, users can submit their email addresses without any verification checks. Next, select verification without OTP. This option allows Outgrow to validate email quality before form submission. You can choose to restrict personal disposable email addresses and low deliverability email addresses. Now, let's look at verification with OTP. Select verification with OTP from the verification type dropdown. Additional settings will now appear. You can customize the email that will be sent to users for verification. Add your preferred email subject and email body content that users will receive when verifying their email address. Once you've configured the email template, click Next. On the following screen, you can configure additional verification settings such as delay per email in seconds, number of OTP digits. Adjust these settings based on your requirements. Once everything is configured, click Save. After saving, make sure to publish your changes. Now test the experience using your live content link. When users enter their email address in the lead generation form, they will receive a one-time password or OTP, which they must enter to verify their email before proceeding. Now let's look at how to set up phone number verification. From the Sitemap navigation menu, click on the phone number verification icon. Turn on the phone number verification toggle. Next, open the verification type dropdown and select Twilio with OTP. To enable phone verification, you'll need to connect your Twilio account with Outgrow. Enter the following Twilio credentials: account SID auth token service SID. After adding the required credentials, configure the time delay after which a new OTP can be resent to the user. Once all settings are complete, make sure to publish your changes so the new verification settings go live. Now, whenever users enter their phone number in the lead generation form, an OTP will be sent to that number for verification. This helps ensure that the phone numbers collected are valid and owned by the user submitting the form. And that's how you can configure email and phone verification in Outgrow to improve lead quality, reduce invalid submissions, and collect verified contact information. Ready to build your own? Start using verification options today to make your lead generation forms more secure and reliable.